Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. If you have noticed an unpleasant odor coming from your washing machine or your clothes aren't smelling fresh after washing, it's time to clean it. And in this video I will show you how to do it. There are several areas in your washing machine that you should pay attention to when cleaning. Let's start with the drain pump filter. It is located at the bottom, behind a nice white panel. After each wash, a small amount of water remains in the filter. To clean it, this water needs to be drained. I use a plastic bottle cut this way. I will leave a link to a more detailed video on how to do it in the description and in the tip at the top right. Unscrew the lid gradually, so that the water pours out little by little. In total, approximately 1 liter of water will drain from the drain pump filter. Some washing machine models have a special drain tube. If yours has one, use it. The filter lid may contain dirt, lint from clothing and other debris, so it should be washed thoroughly. Warm water and a toothbrush are perfect for this. After cleaning, screw the filter lid back on and put the beautiful panel back in place. You should clean the filter every 2 to 3 months, depending on how often you wash. Now let's make a cleaning solution. You'll need 1 teaspoon of citric acid and 100 milliliters of warm water. Stir well until the citric acid crystals are completely dissolved. The next thing we will clean is the detergent drawer. The compartment itself can also be dirty. Water and detergent residue accumulate here, and mold can develop. Take the cleaning agent and spray the entire compartment thoroughly. After 5 minutes, take a toothbrush and you can start cleaning. After cleaning, spray the entire compartment with warm, clean water. The detergent drawer also gets dirty very quickly. Laundry detergent residue, gel residue, fabric softener and hot water deposits all accumulate there. Spray it with cleaning solution and leave it for 5 minutes. If your detergent drawer is very dirty, leave it for longer. It's easy to clean the detergent drawer with a toothbrush. All the plug comes off very easily and the drawer immediately becomes smooth. If you use fabric softener, pay special attention to the middle compartment when cleaning, as this is where mold and mildew most often develop. After cleaning, rinse the drawer with clean running water and wipe dry. Now let's move on to cleaning the rubber seal in your washing machine. After every wash, water containing debris, lint and detergent residue remains in the seal. Therefore, dirt and mold are the most common problems. Spray the seal with cleaner. Use your fingers to push the seal back to clean all hard-to-reach areas. After 5 minutes, take a toothbrush and thoroughly clean the entire seal. These small holes in the rubber through which water drains are most conveniently cleaned with a cotton swab. I take warm water again and spray the seal to wash away any remaining cleaning agent and see if I might have left something uncleaned. Because of hard water, I also have scale built up on the glass in my washing machine door. Spray a microfiber cloth with the cleaning solution and wipe the glass. Next, you'll need to wipe the door with a clean damp cloth, and if you want to avoid streaks on the glass, wipe it dry. To clean the inside of the washing machine, I will use a special tablet. You can buy it at the supermarket where they sell laundry detergent. For cleaning, you will need just one tablet. Take the tablet and place it in the empty drum of your washing machine. Select the longest cleaning cycle available on your washing machine. Set the temperature and spin speed to maximum. And be sure to include an extra rinse cycle. If your washing machine has a drum clean cycle, select it. Hard water, which causes calcium deposits on everything, poor water quality, which also leaves behind limescale and rust, lint and small debris from clothes, poorly rinsed residue from washing powder, gel or fabric softener. All of this leads to problems such as limescale deposits on the heater element, dirt on the outside of the drum, mold, mildew, and a damp smell from the washing machine, which causes clothes to have an unpleasant odor after washing. All these problems can be avoided by properly maintaining your washing machine and cleaning it regularly. And if you notice an unpleasant odor in your washing machine or your laundry smells damp after washing, that's also a good reason to run the cleaning cycle. The outside of a washing machine is usually not very dirty, so a damp soapy cloth is suitable for cleaning. Afterwards, wipe the washing machine with a damp clean cloth. It's been an hour for me, and just look how muddy the water is. If you have mold in your washing machine and you use fabric softener, you may also have small black flakes floating in the water. After cleaning, the washing machine smells absolutely amazing. I am sure you too will feel the scent of cleanliness and freshness. As you can see, the rubber seal is also very well cleaned. Always leave the door open after washing. This will allow any remaining moisture to evaporate and prevent mold and mildew. Wipe the rubber seal with a dry clean cloth to remove any remaining water. This will prevent dirt from accumulating and mold from forming. After washing, remove the detergent drawer, empty the water, and wipe the drawer and compartment it fits into dry. The drawer also doesn't need to be completely closed. I hope these tips on how to clean your washing machine from dirt and mold help you. After cleaning, your washing machine will be clean again, and your laundry will smell pleasantly fresh after washing rather than musty and damp. If you liked the tips, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in other videos.